Should I use a general store like this? Or should I use a one product store like this? This is the question which has been debated a lot recently. Should you go straight to a one product store? Should you have a general store? In this video, I'm going to cover everything. I'm going to show you my system, what I'm doing, what's working now. And I guarantee this is the best way and the most efficient way to find winning products and scale them using the system that I'm going to outline in this video. Now, I see a lot of people going straight to the one product store, and it's causing a lot of issues for a lot of dropshippers, particularly if you're new and you don't have an extensive background in marketing. What they're doing is they're going straight to one product stores and they're burning cash like crazy, wasting loads of money on Facebook ads, trying to force losing products to become winning products. So now we're going to go into my laptop and I'm going to show you the exact system that I'm using to scale products, and it's the best, most efficient way, so stay tuned. Okay, so in this video, what you'll learn is you're going to know my exact setup in terms of whether or not you should use a general store or a one product store, and exactly what I'm doing at the minute. So here's kind of my general setup. You'll have your big general store here where you just test loads of products. So this is known as the testing ground, where you're just seeing what's working, because just because a product's selling really well on another store doesn't mean that that's going to translate to you selling it well on your store. So don't be fooled into thinking just because a product's selling well elsewhere that you should just spend loads of time creating a one product store and then go and test that and just assume that you should be successful, because it doesn't work like that. Facebook ads doesn't work like that. It's always changing, things are changing all the time, the environment's changing, and so what works on another store will not necessarily work on your store. So you have to just test a bunch of products. That's super important, rather than just going straight to a one product store and just forcing it to work. So I test products quickly on here, and then ones with scaling potential I transition to little one product stores here. And then I'm also going to show you how I create these one product stores in less than 30 seconds. I know a little hack. I'm using an app on the Shopify store which enables you to basically just create one product stores with just a click of a button, essentially. So I'm going to show you that in this video, so you can quickly transition your winning products to one product stores without having to spend weeks or months setting it all up. And I'm also going to show you how you can transfer the pixel data that you've generated for your winning product in your general store, and how you can transfer that pixel over into your niche store really quickly. So then you've got all that data and validation from that product that you found in here, and then you know that it's going to work in here because you've got the pixel data. And I'm going to show you how you can transfer it from ad account to ad account and to your new products one product store. And then I'm going to show you why going straight to a one product store is a recipe for disaster. And I know a lot of gurus and that are saying go straight to the one product store, but particularly if you're new to dropshipping and don't have like an extensive background in marketing or Facebook ads and don't know a lot about product research, then you're almost guaranteed to fail if you go straight to a one product store, and you'll end up just spending thousands and thousands trying to force a losing product to become a winning product, and rather than just going to a general store and just testing products and then having product validation and knowing what's working. This will massively increase your chances of success. So here's the general setup for a general store here to a one product store. So this is the fastest and most efficient route to success with dropshipping. It isn't going straight to a one product store, it's starting off with the general store and plowing through a load of products to see what's working and what isn't. And basically what you've got to do is become a data analyst and just test products and then look in your ads manager to see what's working. So some of them won't work and that they just won't get sales and the data will be really bad, and that's okay because you're testing multiple products, and then you'll get some here like this one which are profitable. And then what happens is then you'll keep them running, and then if they can get 30 plus sales with a consistent ROAS or return on ad spend of equal to or greater than 2 after 30 sales, then yes, you can go and transition that product to a one product store, rather than just kind of guessing and hoping that your product that you've chose will work. Because if you create a whole one product store, you've got to set it all up, you've got to get a domain name, you've got to set up your email marketing, you've got to put in your logo, you've got to do all this stuff, and then if the product doesn't work, what'll happen is you've just spent loads of time and you waste loads of money on a product which just clearly isn't selling. But here you can just test loads of products really quickly, and then basically just narrow it down, condense the products down to see what's working. And when you do this, you have validation that you can sell this product rather than just guessing. You have knowledge of which interests are profitable within this niche. So for this product, you will have tested a bunch of interests. Some wouldn't have worked, but some would have been profitable and generated sales. And so you have that data to know what's working and what isn't. And because of all this, because of what you already know, you should produce instant profits and scaling potential when you transition to the one product store, because you already know what works and you have data, you have pixel data, so you're one step ahead. So rather than going straight to this, definitely have a general store and just transition to a one product store when you gain traction. So here's some statistics. There are over 2 million products on AliExpress, and for these products there's over 100k different Facebook targeting options. So together combined, that's 2 million times 100k different targeting options. That means there's 200 billion different variations of products and audiences that you can test. So by going straight to a one product store, you're essentially just hoping that that's going to work without doing any initial testing, and so your chances are extremely low that you can be profitable. So it's kind of like that needle in the haystack. That's essentially what you're doing with Facebook. If you're going straight to a one product store without any prior testing or validation of the product. Okay, so here's your general setup for your business manager. You've got your general store here where you've tested a bunch of products, and now here you want some backup ad accounts which you can use as your future one product store ad accounts for when you identify your winning product within here. And then what you can do is, because you've built up loads of pixel data for a specific product, i.e. you've got 30 plus sales, you've got loads of view content, add to carts, initiate checkouts, you want to transfer all that data into your new ad account. So what we're going to do is assign the pixel code from the general store into the new one product store. So what you need to do is click business settings here, and this will take you to your manager where you can manage each ad account. And then what you want to do is click data sources here, and then click pixels. And then what you want to do is assign an ad account. So you're assigning this general store's pixel to a new ad account, and then click whatever backup ad account you're going to use for your new one product store. And then obviously label your new ad account the name of what your new one product store is going to be. And then this enables you to basically just transfer and utilize that data that you've built up in your general store, and then start basically making money instantly with your new one product store because you've got all that data. So you just click that and then save changes. So now you've used your general store to identify your winning product. You've now transferred that winning product into a new one product store. So I'm going to show you how you build that one product store now ridiculously quickly with a little hack that I'm using from an app within the Shopify store. So here's what we're going to do. So once I've identified my winning product through my general store, what I have is a pre-built one product store which I use as a template on which I build all my one product stores. Then what I do is I use an app in the Shopify store called Duplicate Your Store, and what this does is basically it downloads the files from one Shopify account and duplicates it into a new Shopify account, so you can quickly create a new one product store literally so much quicker than doing it all manually yourself, because it will copy all your pages, your about us page, all the customer service things, also copies all the design, the theme, the layout. So all you need to do then is just upload any images and obviously upload your winning product, and then you also need to get your domain name and your logo, and you're pretty much good to go then with your new one product store. So basically you can create a whole one product store in record time rather than spending weeks or months doing the whole thing from scratch. And then what you want to do is just get that pixel code that we had in our new ad account for our one product store and whack that into your new Shopify account for your one product store, and you're pretty much good to go. So you can track your conversion events such as view content, add to cart, initiate checkout and purchases, and all this process is done as quickly as possible so you don't waste any time. So in this video I've showed you an extremely streamlined process on how you can basically test a load of products, then validate products which are successful, i.e. giving you a return on ad spend of at least 2 or greater, and then now you can transition this product to your one product store and then scale from there. And from here you can really brand the product, you can increase your average order value, You can do lots of different things, utilize your data and build a brand around the product to really scale the product harder and for longer. And I 100% guarantee that the process that I've outlined in this video is the quickest way to find a winning product and scale a winning product to 6 or 7 figures. It's 100% the best way. It isn't going straight to a one product store because you're essentially guessing and there's no validation that whatever you choose is going to work. So by doing the testing method, condensing it down to 1 or 2 products, then transitioning quickly, doing the methods that I've outlined in this video to the one product store, and then scaling from there, utilizing the data that you built up, using lookalike audiences, retargeting sequences, funnels, good content, quality video ads, building a brand around the product, creating a good landing page, all these things for your one product store you can then scale. But if you haven't done your testing, then it's a very dangerous game going straight to the one product store. Okay, that's it for today, guys. I hope you found lots of value in this video, and remember to implement right away because I guarantee it's the quickest and most efficient way to find a bunch of products, condense them down to a winning product, and then scale that as quickly as possible through a one product store. This is the most efficient system. So if you found lots of value in this video, I'd be appreciated if you leave a like and a comment down below. And if you're new here, remember to subscribe, turn on notifications, as I've got loads more videos coming soon, so stay tuned.